AILA Sit and Play preschool learning system is specifically designed as an early education tool for children 12 months and up. And using your AILA Sit and Play is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Simply turn on AILA Sit and Play every day. It will automatically play educational content in broadcast mode. Broadcast mode can be used at home or on the go and is perfect for using with multiple children. Until your child becomes used to their AILA Sit and Play, we suggest just letting it play in the background. For early learners, gains in learning occur through repeated exposure. You'll be surprised by how much your child will pick up from the ongoing exposure and reinforcement offered by AILA Sit and Play. There's no need to push them to pay attention. Your child will naturally begin to watch. Your child may naturally dance, sing, and repeat what they're hearing as well. As your child's attention span develops, broadcast mode helps reinforce listening skills. Step 2. Join in with the learning. Make AILA Sit and Play a part of your daily routine. If you hear us practicing our numbers on Animal Island, try counting things around your home together. Or if we're practicing the letter B, look for toys that begin with B.
Ball!
And when it's time to rest, use the AILA for Parents app to put AILA Sit and Play in lullaby mode to help ease into nap time. That brings us to step 3. Start learning sessions. Unlike broadcast mode, learning sessions are a sequence of 15-minute educational experiences tailored for your little one. We recommend starting them within 4 to 6 weeks. You'll know your child is ready for a learning session when they begin asking for AILA Sit and Play and engaging with it for at least 5 minutes. This is an important moment in your child's learning journey. Each learning session includes reinforcement of key preschool concepts through repetition, stories, songs, and movement. At the end of each learning session, you'll receive a summary on AILA for Parents showing you what curriculum we covered. You can view your child's past learning sessions too. Simply tap to see more details. You can access many of these features on AILA Sit and Play itself too. Simply press the Home button down here, and then the orange button in the upper right corner of the screen. And with that, we're all set. You're ready to begin your personalized learning journey with your child. Thank you for joining us here on Animal Island, where every day is a learning adventure.